Hey guys, Johan Villanueva here, and I'm back with a quick hands-on and first impressions of the Jabra Evolve 32, a little on-ear headset for phones and desktops. Can it replace my Philips over-the-ear headphones? Let's find out. So in the box, you'll get a soft carry pouch to store the Evolve 32, as well as a controller connected to a USB. That will be used for a computer, and finally, the Jabra Evolve 32 themselves. First impressions wearing them, they aren't the most comfortable headphones ever. I much prefer the soft cushion of my Philips, but they do the job well when it comes to on-ear style headphones. It has a plastic build with no cushions on top, but it does offer a microphone for voice calls, and an included circular controller for adjusting various functions in a computer. Sound quality wise, I've tested it in various devices including phones and desktops. It sounded great with rich volume and balanced overall sound, but it does lack a little bass. Remember, this is just an on-ear headphone. The only problem with this is the comfortability. I much rather spend more of my hours using an over-the-ear headphones rather than this. But if you plan using it for just an hour a day, you'll get past that. But overall, the Jabra headphones is a great all-arounder. It brings a portable design, a detachable USB controller, and good sound quality for its price. Well, that's about it guys. Hope you like my hands-on review of the Jabra Evolve 32. Please like, subscribe, and share the video if you think someone needs it. And as always, thanks for watching.